Hey everyone! Welcome back to AI Personal Finance, where we show you smart, simple ways to earn more money using real tools that work. Today's topic? How to make money doing odd jobs using platforms like TaskRabbit and Handy. Whether you're looking for part-time income, a flexible side hustle, or a full-blown gig hustle, this video is for you. Let's jump right in. First up, what are these platforms? TaskRabbit connects people who need help with errands and home tasks, like moving furniture, assembling IKEA furniture, yard work, mounting a TV, or even standing in line. Handy focuses more on home cleaning and handyman services like plumbing, electrical work, painting, or deep cleaning jobs. The best part? You don't need a license for most tasks. Just a willingness to work and show up on time. Step 1. How to sign up. For TaskRabbit, go to TaskRabbit.com or download the app. Click Become a Tasker. Select your city and the tasks you want to offer, things like moving, delivery, cleaning, etc. Fill out your profile, upload a photo, describe your experience, and set your rates. Pay a one-time $25 registration fee in most cities. Once approved, you can start accepting gigs immediately. For Handy, go to handy.com and click Become a Pro. Choose your services: cleaning, handyman work, electrical, etc. Submit your basic info, background check, and availability. Handy approves your application, and you'll get matched with jobs in your area. Note, Handy takes care of pricing for you, while TaskRabbit lets you set your own rates. Step 2. Choose your most profitable tasks. The key to making good money? Pick tasks that pay well and match your skills. On TaskRabbit, high-paying tasks include moving help, $40 to $70 per hour. Furniture assembly, $30 to $60 per hour. TV mounting, $50 per hour. Yard work, $35 to $60 per hour. General handyman, up to $80 per hour. On Handy, common services include house cleaning, $15 to $25 per hour. Electrical plumbing jobs, up to $45 per hour. Furniture assembly, $20 to $40 per hour. Here's a tip: even if you're new, pick tasks with lower competition so you can build reviews quickly. Step 3. Optimize your profile. Your profile is your storefront. Use a clear, friendly headshot. Write a short but confident bio. Experienced mover with a strong back and great attitude. Always on time, and always careful with your stuff. Add your experience, even if it's just helping friends. Include tools you own, like drills, ladders, toolkits, or dollies. That increases your chances of getting hired. On TaskRabbit, you can set different hourly rates for each task. Start slightly lower to get your first reviews, then raise them as your profile builds credibility. Step 4. How to succeed on your first jobs. First impressions matter. Show up early. Dress appropriately, clean shirt, work pants, etc. Be professional, polite, and communicate clearly. After the job, ask the client nicely for a 5-star review. Say, "Hey, I hope you're happy with the service. If so, I'd really appreciate a great review, it helps me grow." Those first 5 to 10 reviews are gold. Once you build a 5-star rating, jobs will come faster, and you can charge more. Step 5. Increase your earnings over time. As you gain more experience and reviews, here's how to level up. Raise your rates every 10 to 15 completed jobs. Expand to nearby cities or suburbs. Invest in tools, like a cordless drill, ladder, moving straps, and list them in your profile. Set availability during peak hours, mornings, weekends. Strategy tip: offer combo services. Example: TV mounting plus cable management. That justifies a higher rate. Step 6. Combine platforms plus build loyalty. Why choose one? Use both TaskRabbit and Handy. Example: Mondays through Thursdays, book short, quick handy cleaning jobs. Weekends, knock out bigger TaskRabbit gigs like furniture assembly or moving. And if a client likes your work, ask them to book you directly through the platform next time. That builds a repeat base. Here's a tip: create simple business cards or a digital business card QR code you can hand to clients, within platform rules, to promote repeat bookings. What you can realistically expect to earn. Part-time, 10 to 15 hours per week, $400 to $600 per week. Full-time hustle, 30 to 40 hours per week, $1,000 to $2,000 per week, depending on your city, skill set, and hours. People in big cities like New York, Los Angeles, or Chicago make even more. You don't need a degree, a business plan, or a massive following. All you need is a smartphone, some hustle, and a willingness to help people. If you want flexible hours and fast cash, TaskRabbit and Handy are real options that work. Sign up today. Pick 3 to 5 tasks you're confident doing, do a great job, get reviews, and watch the money grow. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe to AI Personal Finance for more income strategies every week. And hit the bell so you never miss a money-making tip. Thanks for watching. Now go get that bag.